Hey there, welcome to Lasso. My name is Matt, and I want to walk you through how an affiliate URL works in Lasso. So we're just going to take one example kind of all the way through, just so you can see all the things that you can do with Lasso with a single affiliate URL. So this is the URL details page. From here, we can do a bunch of different things. We can create a name for it, and this is the name that I created. This is going to display on your dashboard. This is going to display in display boxes and grids on your website if you want to. We created the permalink. The permalink is the quote unquote pretty link, the cloaked link, if you will. We only do this for non-Amazon affiliate links. So if you have affiliate links with Amazon on your website, we do not cloak them because we want to comply with Amazon's rules. The primary target URL is your actual affiliate link. This is the link that you want to paste when you create a new one here. That's what's going to automatically be added here. And this is something that, hey, if your affiliate link changes, you can update it here. It's going to update it across your entire website. We have a section for a secondary target URL. So if you wanted to add 2 buttons to your displays, maybe one for the actual affiliate link and then maybe one to an internal link. Maybe you reviewed something and you want to say, hey, read our review. You can do it that way as well. Or if, let's say, you have an Amazon product and you want to link to maybe a Walmart product of the same thing, you can add 2 different buttons in the same box. And so that's what the secondary target URL is. And both of these have their own buttons that are going to be in display boxes, and you can change them both right here. So next we have keywords. Keywords is I want to link, like I've probably mentioned investable across my website a few times. And so one of my ideas is I can put in the keyword investable, and Lasso is going to go find all of the references to that word and allow me to link them. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's just actually do that right now and see if we come up with anything. So I'm just going to type in investable. I'm sure I've mentioned it across the site. We'll find out. In groups is something that you create to organize your affiliate links, and you can create different grids on your website. So if you wanted to create a whole section of your favorite products, for example, you could create a group called My Favorite Products. You can add any affiliate link to My Favorite Products, and then you can add different displays across your website. And I'll show you how to do that in a different video when we talk about groups. Down here, we have the add, open a new window, and enable no follow. You want these both open, checked to green. I would do that. You can add an image URL, and this just takes it from your WordPress one. So if you have stuff in WordPress, you can add it in there, and it'll show up right there. This is also going to show up in your display boxes. If you want to add a price, so for Amazon products, we automatically pull in the price from the API, and you won't be able to change that. But if you have a product like, for example, Investable here has a free trial, you can add a price in here, say free 14-day trial. You can add full sentences. You can add just a price. It's totally up to you. Next, we have description, pretty self-explanatory. The description is going to show up in the display box and the grids when you create them. And again, I mentioned the primary button text and the secondary button text. So if you want those 2 things to have different text inside those buttons, you can do that. For the disclosure, you can set your default disclosure for every single affiliate link display in the settings page. But if you wanted to create a custom disclosure specifically for this one affiliate product or URL, you can do that here. Now, if you're using, I mentioned displays, and we're going to go over how to add displays in a second. But if you're using something like Gutenberg or Thrive Architect, some other type of builder, as opposed to the classic editor in WordPress, you may not be able to add a shortcode in as easily because we only have support for now Gutenberg and for the classic editor. But you can add a shortcode just by copying this. If you do that, you can go to any WordPress builder and paste this URL in or paste this shortcode in, and it'll create that display box on your page. And then from here, we have a couple of different options. If you don't want to show the price, you don't want to show a disclosure, and you don't want to show the description, you can turn these all off. Okay, so we've set this all up. We've added a keyword, and now we're going to hit Save Changes. And what Lasso is doing right now is it's scanning the website, looking for times that we've mentioned the word investable. And let's go through all the different pieces of the URL screen. So we have links. It looks like we've not linked to this URL yet. Interesting. Okay, so that means only text links, right? In displays, it looks like we've added two different displays on this same page. So we've added this display twice. And if we look at this button here, we can actually see what that display looks like. You can see I have the price, I have the description, I have the try now for free button, the image shows up, everything is exactly how it displays on the site. For opportunities, it looks like we have 4 new opportunities because we've mentioned the word investable 4 times on this one piece of content, on this one post. And I figured that would be the case. So let's take a look at exactly what keyword this is. So if we click the little keyword icon, we can actually see some context in where we, where we added this. So it looks like we have it in a bulleted list here. It looks like we talked about it in a paragraph here. Great. So let's go ahead and monetize one of these. So I'm going to monetize this one. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click the toggle to monetize it. I'm going to choose investable. And what just happened is on your website, on this post, and on this post right now, it just turned that keyword into an actual affiliate link using my quote unquote clickable pretty link. Now, if we hit refresh, we now have only 3 keyword opportunities, but now we have an in-text link. Here it is. You can see it. Now that is linked to our actual affiliate URL. That's how easy it is to add affiliate links with Lasso and to manage all your affiliate links. That's the meat of Lasso right there. So if you have any questions about this or you have any suggestions, please go down to the corner here. This is our intercom button. You can talk to us and we can answer your questions on the fly. We also have a huge support section where we have links to how-tos on all of the things that you can do with Lasso.